At the beginning of the Matrix movie, Neo's computer screen says, "Wake up, Neo." And this message surprises him because he did not expect to see anything like that on his computer screen. Now let's imagine coding as a language that computers use to communicate with each other. When we write code, we create instructions that tell the computer what to do. These instructions are written in a language that only computers can understand. When we run our program, the computer reads these instructions and follows them to do what we want it to do. In the case of Neo's computer, the "Wake Up Neo" message was actually a piece of code that was sent to him by someone trying to contact him. This message was not something that Neo expected to see on his computer, so it surprised him. Similarly, when we write code, we can use messages or prompts to communicate with the user. For example, we can create a message that says, "Enter your name," to prompt the user to input their name. Now, why was this "Wake Up Neo" message considered so important in the coding? Well, in the context of the movie, this message was a call to action for Neo. It was a message that woke him up to the reality of the Matrix and set him on a path to discover the truth. So, just like how the "Wake Up Neo" message was an important piece of code that set the movie's events in motion, messages and prompts in coding can be crucial for guiding users and providing important information. Easter eggs in coding are important because they add an element of surprise, fun, and creativity to programs or websites. They are hidden messages, features, or interactive elements that developers intentionally include for users to discover. Recalling back to Neo's message, "Wake up, Neo, follow the white rabbit, knock knock, Neo." And then he hears knocking at his door that alarms him, and then he becomes calm while answer the door with using a handle to open it. Before he does so, he asks, "Who is it?" and gets the reply, "It's Choi." And he says, "Yeah," and opens 101 door to give Choi the hacking program Knock Knock, while noticing the white rabbit is attached to Choi. As Neo hands Choi the hacking program, Choi gives Neo $2,000 and asks Neo to join, and by doing so meets Trinity. Click the link in the bottom right to subscribe to my channel.